Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Jovi, and for today's vlog, guys, we are currently getting ready because we're going to South Melbourne. We're going to meet Paris's friends, guys, so that is very exciting. I've already put my makeup on. I just need to put, I think, lipstick, and I'm done. So Dad and Paris is having a shower now, and then I've got Paris's clothes ready here. Have a look, so cute. So I'm gonna get her to wear this today, guys, to see his friends. So a bit of a background, guys. Before we move here in West Footscray, last March, we used to live in South Melbourne. So when Paris was born, we had our like mom's group in South Melbourne. So you know, we're meeting up with all moms with babies who's got the same age as Paris. So yeah, it was really good. It was a good support, you know, when you, especially when you are first time mom. So now, you know, we haven't seen them for a few months, and you know, it's getting so exciting because you know, everyone's, you know, walking now, and you know, the last time we seen each other, yeah, they were just crawling, guys. So now they, you know, start walking and, you know, like yupping a little bit. So can you hear that, guys? Yeah, it's Dad and Paris in the shower. They're singing nursery rhymes. So yeah, back to it, guys. Yeah, so everyone's like, you know, I think like walking now and starts talking and all that. So a few days ago, I sent a message to the mums group, like in our WhatsApp. I said, you know, whoever is available on Saturday would like to visit South Melbourne, and you know, Paris would love to see her friends, guys. You know, they've known each other since birth. How exciting is that? And yes, I'd like to take Paris there to, you know, have a play with her old friends, guys. So that's what we're doing today. We decided to meet at Planet Kids in South Bank at 1 o'clock. And yeah, I don't know how many's going, but approximately maybe, I'd say 4 babies. So we'll see how it goes when we get there, guys. But you know, I'm so excited for Paris because yeah, it will be good to, you know, see your friends. Like, it's a no-brainer, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna put lipstick on, so by then Paris will be ready with yeah, finish with her shower, and I have to get her ready, guys. Just gonna put my lipstick on. Let's see if I can do it here. I'm just using the viewfinder. Ooh, guys, this weather, right? Ooh, just put the lipstick in there. This weather, guys, makes my lips so dry, like it's cracking. So I'm using my favorite, all-time favorite, Stila liquid lipstick, guys. Hi guys, I'm back. That's what it looks like now, guys. Well, yeah, I'm so sorry, my lips are so dry, and it's, yeah, it doesn't look really nice, guys. I should have exfoliated it before I put lipstick on, but I don't have time for that today. So anyways, I think Paris is now out the shower, guys, so I'm gonna get her ready. I'll see you guys in a bit. Say hi. Oh, Paris is out the shower now, guys. Come on. Shush, 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 shush. What's this? So guys, I think Paris is now ready. Show your dress. Show your dress. Oh, she's got a guitar. You got a guitar? Do you want to show your guitar? Do you want to show your guitar? It's just guitar. Boom, 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 boom. A boom, 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 boom. You want to hold it that way? Ooh. Well done. Yeah. There you go. Whoa. Hi guys. We're downstairs now and we are just getting ready to go. Now, can we say hi now? Oh no. So I've just put Paris's hair in a ponytail. What do you all guys think? And Mimi's there. Hi, put it. Hello.
Let me show you my OOTD for today.
This
is sponsored by Churba. Charot. Magtuon lagi ko kaya magkuhan.
My vlogger. So guys, we're just waiting for Daddy because Daddy's getting ready now, and then here's my bag for today. This is what I'm going to use because Tita Mimi is going to bring another bag with, you know, a bigger bag for Paris' stuff, like, you know, nappy, extra shirts and food and all that jazz. But Mommy is gonna wear this cross body bag. Just got my phone in there and cards and everything. But yeah, hey Nat. Hi. Want to say hi? And also guys, I put leggings as well because it's gonna be cold outside and we'll make sure that she's warm. So yeah guys, we'll see you guys later when we get to South Melbourne. Bye.
Flashlightan ta kani.
Hi guys, we are now at South Melbourne. Ngit-ngit man siya guys, so we're using the flashlight. Yeah, so we're at South Melbourne now guys. Dada just jumped out to get some hot chocolates. And yeah, because Paris is still sleeping. And then we're gonna go straight to the play center to see Paris's friends.
Very freezing,
Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. I forgot.
Hot chocolate delivery. Thanks, Bob.
I forgot that maybe they want one.
Dre, hot chocolate. Like seriously, guys, if you're in South Melbourne, yeah, you've never been to South Melbourne if you've never been to Shade Ray. That's a strong statement, but I vouch for that. Isn't that right, Danny?
Yes, that's correct.
And
And you've never been to Melbourne if you've never been to South Melbourne.
Ah, guys.
I walked in there and people started cheering. I swear up.
this one is the best. No?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for all the hot chocolate that I've tasted, guys, in Melbourne, I think this is
You think we
one
are?
of the best. No, I think this is one of the best. Hi guys, we're in South Melbourne now. We're just walking towards Planet Kids. Say hi. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. So it rained for, I don't know, a couple of minutes, Daddy.
Yeah.
And then the sun came up again. Crazy weather, guys, in Melbourne. It is crazy. So yeah, hopefully they're there now. Got me. It's so cold, guys. Daddy, I really need a tripod, Daddy. I really need a tripod. What can you say? I need a tripod and I think Daddy is buying me one. Thank you, Daddy. Yeah. So guys, see, I'm holding it with my hands so that you can't see the whole view behind me. You can only see my beautiful face. So this is where we're going, guys. Planet Kids. Planet Shakers. And I don't think we can film inside, guys. We got kids. So we'll see you all, guys, later. Wow! It's Peter! What's this? He wants to get out there. No. Thanks, madam. Hi guys, the catch-up was great. It's just so amazing to see the kids growing, guys. You know, knowing the kids, the babies since birth. It's amazing to look at them, running around now and playing with each other. So we're just walking back to the car now. We're gonna go to South Melbourne Market and grab something to eat. It is currently 3 o'clock now, guys, so we're gonna rush because it closes at 4 o'clock, so we only have an hour. Hi. It's very warm.
That's the first dish. You've got molly corn chips, some red beans, corn. Yep. Perfect. And the chicken burrito pork tacos.
One chicken burrito, one pork tacos.
So guys, we just ordered. These are water. The thing. How do you call it?
Water.
Grass?
That? Water. With what? It's water with
Miss Paris. Hi, sweetie. What are you having? Water. Oh, we're hungry, guys. Like, it's already 3:20 maybe. Can't wait for the food. So guys, here's our drinks. So mine is lemon lime and bitters. Mimi's is orange juice, fresh, and chips and whatever it is. Yeah. So here's our food, guys. We got burrito. We also got pork tacos. Is this your first Mexican food, Ma? Yeah. So it's only one serve, guys. We're going to share, or else we're not gonna finish it. It's too big. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Give
Yummy.
But just eating grass. Hi guys, we're currently at Cash Converters in South Melbourne, and we are trying the tripod, guys. This is the exact tripod that I was looking at JB Hi-Fi. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. See, it's very stable. Yeah, okay. Do that.
Bakit ako?
How's the dumb room going?
Sorry?
How's the dumb room going?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit frustrating. You know when you kind of do it.
Yeah.
You're really getting stressed. Whatever you do.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dokie.
Now I will try.
Paris. Hey. Where are you going? Shh. Mana si Mama? We're leaving now. Hey. Yeah, yeah. Mo. Bye. Bye, Paris. City, it's very stable. Like, it's not shaking and everything.
Yeah, of course it is, because it's your hand. It's
Paris.
moving out. Come on, honey.
Teka lang.
Oh, we've got a lot of time, don't we? Daddy,
Yeah.
have a look.
Prison.
Let's get in the car.
The Trubalo. See, it's very
Hi guys, we are now using the tripod from Cash Converters, guys. I got it for $45. It's a deal. Oh, careful. Because if you buy it brand new, guys, it's around $100. So I think, yes, we got 50%
Jeremy's very
off.
good at bargaining.
Yeah. So we're done with South Melbourne, guys. We're gonna go home now.
Yay!
Because no, you don't want to go home. So you guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Please like this vlog, guys. I would appreciate that so much. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And also, guys, yeah, don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful.
Bye!